Alrighty, now that we've got all of our eggs into our molds, I'm just coming in with some of these beautiful cut fresh peppers. And these are so fun because they really are Christmas colors, super spirited, fun. The reds, the greens, even the gold of the yellow pepper. It just looks like Christmas time to me. All right, now I've got my fully cooked breakfast sausage, and I'm just adding some of that in here. I'm using the Jimmy Dean, but of course you can cook your own. I do recommend though cooking the sausage ahead of time before you putting it in, because I think this wouldn't be quite enough time for it to be cooked. So this is just an easier to use the pre-cooked. Now I'm coming in with some sharp cheddar cheese. But of course, the fun part about this is it's totally customizable. You can add whatever you like to this or don't like, then just leave that out. No big deal. And this is gonna be so much fun. What a perfect breakfast to have with the family, with the kids, even with the adults on Christmas morning. All right, I'm adding a little bit of my garlic powder. Just a tad. I love garlic on everything. A little bit of onion powder. I like to put fresh onions in these, but I just didn't have any this morning, so powder will do. And of course, a little bit of pepper. Ooh, look at that fresh brown black pepper. I just love this at-home grinder. That's perfect. And we've got a little bit of sea salt, just grinding a ton of that on there. Alrighty, y'all. We're just gonna pop our lid onto our pan here and we're gonna let those cook. Alrighty, y'all. We are ready to grab our little gingerbread men breakfast champions out of here. Alrighty, y'all, we're just gonna get this over here to the counter. I've got my plate here and I am just ready to plate these little men up. Look at that, so cute. Of course, I pammed this before I put them in. Oh my goodness. They are just darling.
We want to see.
Yes. Alrighty. Look at these perfect poached gingerbread men. See, y'all? Now you can have cookies for breakfast. Just check this little guy out. How cute is he?
Oh.
Smiling.
Oh, it's...
Merry Christmas, everybody. You gotta try it.